What's happening, y'all? We back. I know I've been gone for a couple weeks, but I'm talking about deep down in the trenches, working late, working days in and days out. Man, we're gonna clean the hell out of this bathroom. We got broken toilet seats, we got pissy potties. I'm telling you, I've been on go. Track meets, theater shows with the kids. I just had a lot going on, but we're finna break this thing down and bring it back up and get this party started. Alright, stage one down. All contents gone out the bathroom. So we get clean. Getting all the chemicals, all the rags. We're gonna go ahead and open up this toilet to make sure it fit. I was gonna throw this whole toilet away and put a whole new toilet in. Of how the inside looked and how the lid was broke. And I said, let me see if I can save some money. I think I paid $23 for this lid, and yep, it fit. And I'm gonna keep my toilet. For those of y'all that made it this far to the video, I just want to tell you guys to be thankful for what you got. Take care of what you do have. Don't really worry about what everybody else got. If it's better, if it's more, if it's bigger. Just take care of what you got, and I promise you, whatever is meant for you is gonna come to you. What I did learn over the last few years that God really ain't gonna give you nothing. The universe really ain't gonna give you nothing if you ain't taking care of what you already got. There's no way that you could be ready for the next chapter, the next items, the next big house, the next nice car, the next good job, if you're really not taking care of what you already got. And that's something I've been doing these last few years, just trying to take care of what I already got, just so whatever's for me, I'll be ready for it also. So as y'all can see, we done made it to the end. We clean, we sparkling, we shining. No more pissy bathroom. We done got it clean, decluttered, spotless, and we ready. This next video that y'all see right here in the corner.